Hi everybody, my name is Scott Walls. I'm the Oracle Cloud Source to Settle and OBN expert here at Panameer. For over 25 years, I've deployed Oracle applications for some of the world's largest organizations. You are watching an application overview video. In this video, I provide an overview of Oracle Cloud's Invoices application. This application is part of the Payables Functional Area. Click the link above to watch a quick video explaining the Payables Functional Area. I'm going to use the following 5 slides to explain this app. First, what is an invoice? Then common business examples, who creates invoices, how they are created, and then finally, when they are created. But best of all, I'm going to do this in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. Slide number 1, what is an invoice? An invoice is a commercial document issued from a seller to a buyer relating to a sale transaction, and it indicates the products, the quantities, and the agreed upon prices. Pro tip, most invoices are created from approved purchase orders in Oracle Cloud. Click the link above to watch a quick video explaining the purchase orders application. Slide 2, common business examples. On this slide, I walk through the more common types of invoice transactions, 4 of them. First, the PO invoice. This invoice type grabs the PO details and uses them to create the invoice and then auto-approve those invoices for payment, assuming that they fall within predefined limits in a process called validation. Second, the non-PO invoice. This invoice must be routed somewhere internally for approval prior to being paid. Third, credit and debit memos. These invoices offset prior, often paid invoices. Fourth and finally, prepayment invoices. These invoices pay using one account, but journal increments of that expense out to other accounts over predefined time limits. Slide 4. Who creates invoices? The initiators of invoice creation are as follows: payables clerks, supplier billing, and we'll talk more about this a little bit later, but this is when the billing person from the supplier comes through the portal to manually create the invoice. PMs, project managers or requesters, they can have invoices generated from receipts. Oracle Cloud will also create invoices. Other applications create records to be paid. And then finally, OBN, or what's called Oracle Business Network. Similar to supplier billing, we'll talk about those in a best practice sense in a minute, but OBN is an application that allows buyers and suppliers to exchange invoice and purchase order transactions. Click the link above to watch a quick video showing how to create an invoice. All right, now slide number 4, how they are created. Here are the most common ways invoices are created. First, invoices can be entered online, although having teams of people do this is no longer best practice. Second, self-service invoices. These invoices are created via the supplier portal. Talked about those a minute ago. They can encompass both PO and non-PO. Those are part of a best practice solution. Third, ERS, so the invoices that are created from receipts. These invoices are auto-created, but this is somewhat rare. Fourth, CXML or CMK. CMK is called the Collaboration Messaging Framework. So this is a tool to take electronic documents, think OBN here, and use a process called an import to create invoices from a staging table. So OBN is part of the best practices of creating invoices in Oracle Cloud along with the supplier self-service invoices. And then lastly, other Oracle Cloud applications like we talked about. Now, pro tip. Best practices are to have invoices entered via the supplier portal by the supplier, or in the case that they're simply too voluminous or can't be entered, they can be sent via Oracle Business Network. Remember, that's the tool that allows ERP to ERP to communicate invoices and orders. Now, OCR or IDR invoicing remains problematic of this recording, particularly for invoices with more than one line. The heart of the problem is that there is a recursive element to the lines in an invoice, and so the program doesn't always know how to process that. Click the link above to watch a quick video explaining the Oracle Business Network. Okay, and lastly, slide 5. When are invoices created? Let's quickly walk through this process. Optionally, step 1 is the procurement services. So requester requests, creates purchase order, order goes out, supplier ships, then the goods are received. That's procurement. Step 2 is the payables process. And as you can see on this slide, creating the invoice is the second step in the payables services. click the link above to watch a quick video explaining the procurement processes in more detail. Okay, this is the end of this video presentation, but hopefully it's just the beginning of your Panameer journey. Did you know that there are thousands of free videos just like this one on Panameer.com and hundreds more on Panameer's YouTube channel? In fact, if you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Remember, better content, better skills, better income, better life. Panameer wants to help you get 1% better every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day.